Welcome to O2 Analyzer. How to upload new users into O2 Analyzer. In this section, I'll show you how you can download a template and fill in the details of the users you wish to upload. So let's begin. Firstly, select the Setup tab. Go to Upload Data. Select Download. This will open up a template in Excel. So on this template, you will see the headers username, email address, first name, surname, job title, mobile, level of user, restriction type and restriction list. So here's a few examples I've created earlier. So for an end user, which will be the most common user to upload, fill in the username. Now at the top of each column you'll see a little tag here to show you what you have to fill in. So as you can see here, you must provide a valid username for each user. This is what the user will log in with. So we'd recommend that you use the user's corporate email address, as they're hardly likely to forget that. Then the email, which is a duplication again, enter their email address. So these two fields, A and B, are obligatory so far. Field C, first name, D and E are not obligatory, but for information only, which could enrich the data, so no harm if you have the information to fill it out. Followed by mobile, that is obligatory of course if the restriction is based on mobile. So here's an example of Brian Clark, who's got two devices, as you can see, separated by a comma, and again the text box at the top here will explain. So it also adds here that you must include the leading zero and format the field as text, which it is anyway. Level of user, 1 is administrator, 2 is group level user, and 3 is end user. So in this case, Brian is going to be an end user, so I'll change his level to 3. His restriction is mobile, and that's enough for an end user. You have to take one more step for a group level or cost center manager. As you can see, first of all, their level is 2, as per the text box here, and you must define what's the restriction. So in this case, it's cost center and this particular number. Under mobile, that's if Anne Jones there has a corporate O2 subscribed mobile. Here it is. This is important should you wish to push out personal summaries to each of the subscribers on a monthly basis. So once you've completed the sheet, save it in Excel and then upload it. Okay, so we'll go back to O2 Analyzer and select Upload. Search for the file, browse for it, and as you saw earlier, the file was called users.xls, and hit Upload. Okay, to see if it's worked, first of all, well, you'll get an error message if it didn't. Select Setup, People, and you can see if it imported the users that you set up. So in this case, there's an example of a user. To select and view other users like group level users, select Menu, and here you can view any group level users that you loaded up. So as you can see here, by selecting Manage Group Level User, it shows the list of group level users that are now imported into the system. So we'd recommend that you use this uploading option for Excel when you're setting up new systems, new users. And then from then on, you can actually use the online service here under Menu and Manage Group Level User to make the odd add moves and change. So for example, if you were reassigning email addresses or restrictions, you can just select Edit and make the changes this way, rather than trying to upload a spreadsheet for just one user. And that's how you can upload list of users. Thank you and goodbye.